What up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I have a new wig from UNice. Okay, this is the Amazon store, and they did send me this to review, so let's get into it. So it comes with an stocking cap, the wig, of course, so sit that to the side, a scarf, another wig cap, and a melting elastic band. That's it. So this wig says it is a 24-inch ST, which is straight unit. Again, this is made in China, and it says the hair was disinfected. I've never had a wig wrapped up like this, so okay, let's open her up. Okay, you guys, this hair is silky, and you can tell that it's silky. Look at it. So the knots are extremely small, so this should not be hard to bleach at all. The lace is thin, but it's not HD. This is a partial frontal, so it's not a full frontal. As you can see, it tapers off on the side. Comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps. The hair is so soft. One thing about UNice that I've been seeing with their Amazon wigs is that they've been real soft, and the last one that I bleached, it bleached so good, like, because it was good quality hair. So the front of this is pre-plucked, but you know I might go in and do a little bit more plucking, but I am gonna bleach these knots. Oh my god, it's so soft. I haven't had straight black hair in a while, so I think I'm gonna just keep it black and maybe color it later. But I love coloring Amazon wigs because you can just tell the integrity, like if it'll hold up. But anyway, let's bleach these knots. Okay, you guys, so you're gonna need some developer. I'm using 30 volume. You need your bleach and your tinting bowl or bowl in general with a brush or whatever you wanna use. Just don't use metal, okay? So this is what you're gonna use to bleach your knots. You also need your wig. Here she go right here. So we're gonna bleach the knots to this wig. She is, like I showed you before, she has small knots, but we don't want that to show on the wig at all, as you can see. So we're gonna go in with a bleach job and take care of everything. So I like to take a piece of foil to help it process. You don't need much. You need about that much. So it's ready to rinse her off. I'm gonna remove the foil and rinse off all the bleach. Okay, so these are the two shampoos I'm going to use. Vanilla No Yellow to bleach, the tone the knots, and Garnier Fructis to clean the actual wig. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of seconds because it was really brassy. And I'm gonna take my favorite deep conditioner. This is silicone mix, and I'm gonna put this all over the wig and let it sit for 30 minutes. So I decided that I was not going to do baby hairs while styling this wig, but I ended up doing, well, okay, I didn't know if I wanted to do baby hairs or not. So I ended up doing baby hairs, but I didn't do it in this portion of the video. I did it when I was actually installing it. So I'm just going to mold the hair back, set her under the dryer, and then just press and flat iron her out just to make sure she's silky. See, like I'm right here, I'm thinking about doing baby hairs, but then I end up changing my mind and brushing them back. So yeah. So this is what the wig looks like after I flat ironed it and everything. It's just, you know, giving hairline, giving scalpiana, you know, it's going to look real good on me. And so here we go. We're going to start this process. This is going to be real quick. I am going to use my lace spray bond to do this. This is a glueless method technically. I already sprayed it, but I didn't show it on this part of the clip because I thought I was recording, but I was not. So I used it, and then I'm gonna just spray it down on warm to make sure that it's fully dry, and I'm gonna spray it again, lay down my lace, blow dry it on warm until it's fully dry, and then I'm gonna use my razor and I'm gonna cut off the excessive lace on this unit. So after all the lace is cut off, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses foundation in a shade 16. That's the darkest shade. And I'm going to pat that around my hairline because that's my skin color. And it looks pretty good. It looks really good for it not to be melted. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm going to just go ahead and pin my hair back so I can spray my hairline down and wrap it so I can get the melting action. So I'm going to take the same spray and I'm going to spray my hairline and wrap it down with the elastic band. Okay. So I was listening to the audio back and I had my AirPods in, and yeah, I didn't like how it sounded, but I'm not about to record that over, so yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. Okay, so yeah, so this is when I decided that I was gonna do baby hair. So I'm gonna pull some down, and then I'm going to cut them and curl them and lay them down with my lace jelly from Boho. I like using that because it'll keep the baby hairs in place while everything is drying, and then like it'll dry the baby hairs on your skin. All you have to do is go in with a comb and comb those baby hairs out, and they will be fluffy. Okay, so I like using boho jelly. You can use whatever you want. That's my preference because it doesn't leave my baby hair sticky or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just do my baby hairs on both sides of my face, and basically this is basically the end of this video, you guys. Yeah. But look at that hairline, look at the lace, everything is just looking really good, and I'm just actually really impressed by this specific wig. Now I did a couple of Amazon reviews lately that I have uploaded, but this one has to be my favorite. And I just went in with my makeup again just to make sure that everything is blending how it's supposed to be, and girl, I haven't had a silky moment in a while. Okay, you guys, so I love this one. This one is nice. This one is very nice, and it's like I told you before, she is super soft. Okay, so this one is big head friendly. I had no problems with this one whatsoever. The lace is lacing on this joint right here. Now, I did not have to add baby hairs, but I did. I did because I love baby hairs, okay? This is giving off 26 inches, not 24. And she is super thick. Now, I will say this one is a bang for your buck. If you do decide to splurge for this one, you'll be getting, ooh, let me fix my little baby hair. You'll be hitting when it comes to this one, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my hairline and then ending videos of this unit. And I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys do decide that you want to check this wig out, I'll have it there for you. And until next time, bye best friends.